Where'd you go? Ah. Right. Inbound. Getting those clouds. Mad. Got another heavy inbound. A330, Kuala Lumpur to Adelaide. He's hiding in the clouds. He's coming in quiet. Oh, bloody clouds. Get those clouds. Ah. It's supposed to rain. Yeah. You sexy thing. Yep. Get in that tree. Is that what I mean? Starting to rain. It's a PC-12 from Alice Springs. My camera is not going to focus. What a jerk. Nah, you're just going to be a blurry. Look at me. She's cranking down outside. They said there was rain. Oh yeah. But dude, check this guy out. Perth to Adelaide. Look at the flight track. So he's coming over the peninsula. Oh, it's hammering down outside. What on earth is this dude doing? I didn't have the ATC playing because I was watching an aeroplane video. That is a bizarre flight path. What? The rain is so heavy I can't even hear the ATC. Maintain. Interesting. I wonder if that's to do with the weather. Let's see what this guy's doing. What are you doing, mate? Nah, he's going straight overhead. Singapore to Melbourne. Oh, A350. Hell yeah, sexy. There we go. Rain settled down. What is that? Victor Yankee Juliet. 13,000 feet. So he'll be coming over my place shortly. 366 knots, 678. Where is that? They must be encountering some serious weather. There's a lot of jets being vectored around. Alright. Yeah, everybody's doing the diverts. Huh. Fun and games. That's what you get when it's hammering down rain. Tell me. Here he comes. This is a 737 that had the really bizarre flight path coming in. Clouds are just messing it up. Where are you, mate? I can hear you. There you are. It's about to start bucketing down again. Nah, it's too dark to see him. That was a weird flight path though. It's right up there. It's right over my head. Heavy cloud. Hey, there's some bats. G'day, mate. Yeah, we're not going to see him. Bugger it. He must have been diverting around weather. Huh. Oh well. Don't know, mate.
Plane to go over Gully. At about 2 miles, we'll be requesting to track direct Moppery to avoid. Jetstar 780, track direct Moppery. Roger, we'll be tracking direct Moppery shortly, Jetstar 780.
Lots of planes trying to avoid each other and weather.
And established on the localized cleared outlet approach. 200 on the position on localized cleared outlet approach. Jetstar 780. QE 257 and Adelaide Tower advises that they are on. QE 257, contact Tower 120.5. 105, QE 257.
He's down. Hey, Root. So Aussie. Hey, Root. See you, mate. Ta-da, mate. Hmm. Hmm. There you go. So even this guy, Alice Springs to Adelaide, he's had to go into hold. Hmm. There must be some nasty storms up there because you don't normally see this. Traffic chaos. Yep. Weather is playing havoc. Melbourne Centre and Adelaide Centre controlling all these aircraft. Hmm. Wow.
Ground behind the PC-12 on Foxtrot, cross runway 12 and taxi via Alpha, hold short of Lima. On Foxtrot, cross runway 12, then on Alpha, hold short of Lima, Qantas 886. On 596.
Qantas 886, that was the one that had the strange flight path coming in.
Foxtrot, cross runway 12, taxi on board Bravo 25596.
It's all happening.
Huh.
Alright. That's enough. Ta-da, mate. Airplanes having to hold everywhere. What is going on here? What's this one? Oh, Cessna 208 Caravan, the fucker. Our local spy plane. That's not it. That is not it. Because he does not show up on radar. Yeah, this bloke had to go in a holding pattern. Interesting approach. He's coming in behind the Virgin jet coming from Alice, who also had to go into a hold. We've got this guy trying to get to Parafield with some crazy storms going on. They've advised him to go to Mount Murray Bridge, not come into Parafield, but he's trying to continue. This guy's just coming overhead, just going, whatever, mate. He's up there. What's he doing? 39,000 feet. 616 knots. What? 1,141 kilometres an hour over the ground. Got a bit of a tailwind, do we? Christ. This dude's out of here. Adelaide to Perth. Ta-da, mate. Oh, interesting. He's had to do some dodging of weather. What's this for? Straight in approach. Yeah. Adelaide to Melbourne Virgin on his way. Ta-da, mate. Coming into gate. Oh, it's just happening everywhere. Alice Springs to Adelaide. Oh. Aero Commander 690. Nice. Sexy little thing. See this plane quite a bit. Yes, we got Sydney and Adelaide Jetstar. Straight in approach so far. They're all looking pretty good. Oh, another Aero Commander. That's a 500. Nice. Where are you going? Perth to Sydney. Gold Coast. Sydney. Brisbane. Action stations today. Another one coming in from Melbourne. It's this guy. That's who he's talking about. Talking to. From Wagga Wagga. Too much to watch. Damn mate. What is going on? That's a big jet. United States Navy. Come to land down here in South Australia. You what? Huh. I need to find this out. What is going on here? So last night we had an F-16 US Air Force. Took off locally here. Buggered off over New South Wales direction. Appeared to keep going over the ocean and disappeared off radar. And now we have the United States Navy P-8 Poseidon, like we fly out of here, just flew in low and slow. Oh, give me some focus. This camera, I'll tell you. Ah! Anyway. This is a recording on my laptop, so. 140 knots. 4,800 feet. He's getting ready to land. Interesting.